since the it is the festival season, at the same time the elections are also coming. So what is Tipra Motha thinking about the election? Are you going for any alliance, or what is the thought in the mind?
We have got no feelers from anybody to make an alliance. And Tipra Motha was formed to serve the indigenous people of Tripura and the people of Tripura by and large. So our agenda will be to keep ourselves true to our cause and to go ahead with the agenda of the people for our constitutional rights, for a better future for our indigenous people, and for the overall development of the state of Tripura, irrespective of caste, community and religion. So we will frame our policy as per our point of view, and not because one party needs our support or another party does not need our support. So that is our agenda.
So you already had some talks with the representative of the Home Ministry. So what is the latest progress on it?
We've had talks. We've put our demands. There was a draft which was shared earlier before the elections also. This is not the first time. When Mr. Mishra was coming to Tripura and had said to everyone that Mr. Mishra, A.K. Mishra will be coming, many people made fun of me. They said that, "Kaun hai ye Mishra? Nahi aayega. Ye jhoot bol raha hai." But today, Mr. A.K. Mishra has come, and the people who had made fun of me are themselves going and meeting Mr. Mishra and putting memorandums. So you see, in the end, we are fighting for something which is concrete, which is something for the long term. And people who want short-term relief, people who want short-term benefits will make fun of us. But in the end, patience will win, integrity will win, and hopefully the indigenous people of Tripura who have suffered for very long will also have a better future tomorrow.
But some of the issues are still pending. You had in your in your agenda is the language issue is one of them, and the village council election. Is Tipra Motha going for some agitation on that? As you said, you had some plans.
Let the Christmas and New Year's be over. Create an agitation like many parties during creating breaking peace. You know, whenever we have done a rally, all the so-called mainstream Agartala media has said that Tipra Motha is trying to create a communal tension. But when a local body here on the 25th asked for a rally on Christmas Day to deny Christian tribals their ST status, no media said that this was communal. So, you know, people don't judge us fairly. I think we have been judged very unfairly by Agartala-based media. Not, of course, you all. I think you have been very fair to us. But the fact is that once the festival season gets over, once New Year is over, we will sit down and we will make a final push so that our voices are. I firm believe that जब तक Delhi को हम लोग हिलाते नहीं हैं, Delhi हमारी बात सुनता नहीं है. So we'll also have to shake the ground a bit. But if Delhi listens to us, we will support them. If they don't listen to us, we will show that what is on the ground.
Do you think this particular issue, as you already said, in the festive season, such a issue being raised, see, how constitutional?
No. See, they do good governance day on 25th. I'm a Hindu, and I think we should follow our culture and our religion. But that does not mean that you start making fun of other people's personal faith and belief. And I think a good Hindu knows. So this is showmanship, this is bullying, this is trying to intimidate. But eventually what has happened? They could not do it. So, you know, the fact is that eventually people know the Constitution of India is the most important book that we have to follow. And all those people who try to divide in the name of religion, they try to divide in the name of surnames. Why are they doing it? What is their agenda? Their agenda is to create disturbance, create a situation like Manipur, where brothers will fight with brothers, sisters will not talk to each other, they'll be divided in the society, and nobody will talk about the real issues. The real issue is that we have to stop illegal immigration from Bangladesh. The real issue is that there is unemployment in the state of Tripura. The real issue is that we need a better future. Our land rights have not been protected. Tripura was ruled by Tripuris for thousands of years. Today, by creating a TLR Act, you've created all the tribal lands into caste land, into forest land, and the Tripuris do not have rights over the land. Why can't that be undone? That's why these are very pure issues which has to be raised. And when people talk about religion, people talk about all these things, they're only trying to divide, they're only trying to take your attention away from the real subject.
My last question is, after the New Year, what are we going to see from Tipra Motha, and how important is this parliament election particularly? And Tipra Motha, at least in one seat, you have a strong holding.
In both seats we have strong holds. Even in the Tripura West seat, which is not a reserved seat, Tipra Motha has got over 210,000 votes. So it is not that we are an insignificant factor. So the fact is that we are not going to just sit as lame duck. We are going to put in our point of view. We are going to be respectful to the government of India. We are going to be respectful to Congress. But they also have to respect us in return.
So that was Tipra Motha chief who says you need to